Hello everyone, my name is Professor Mohammad Irshad Ali, HOD Mathematics, Lord's Institute of Engineering and Technology, Hyderabad. So today my topic is exact and non-exact differential equation. So first we go to the outline. In exact differential equation we go to the first definition, then we general solution, we solve one example problems. Non-exact differential equation, first we go to the integrating factor. Then non-exact differential equation, we solve four types of problems here with examples. So first we start with exact differential equation. A differential equation of the form m of x comma y dx plus n of x comma y dy equal to 0 is said to be exact differential equation if and only if dou m by dou y equal to dou n by dou x. Is this condition satisfied, then we say it is exact differential equation. Now we go to the general solution. Integration m dx, where here y is a constant in m, plus integration n dy, here the terms of n not containing x equal to c. This is a general solution of exact differential equation. Now we go to the one example problem. This is example. Solve the differential equation 2y minus y plus 1 dx plus 2y minus x minus 1 dy equal to 0. Dou m by dou y equal to, so here partial difference with respect to x, so here m value is, so we can write as 0 here, minus 1 plus 0, so you get the value here minus 1. So dou m by dou y equal to, dou m by dou y is equal to minus 1. Now we come to the n value, partially differentiation with respect to x. So dou n by dou x, dou y, dou x equal to, here 0, minus 1, and here minus 0 equal to, you get here minus 1. So here the condition are satisfied, dou m by dou y equal to dou n by dou x, therefore hence it is exact. So now we go to the directly general solution. What is the general solution here? So general solution m dx plus n dy. So here m value, here y is a constant in m, and here n is equal to what is given in the question, 2y minus x minus 1 is given in the question. So here we are taking terms of n not containing x. So here you have to write x is equal to, you have to put 0. So you get here n is equal to 2y minus 1. You have to write n value here, this. Now you take the integration of here y is a constant, you take out here integration of x dx minus here y is a constant, so you have to take as y out, integration of 1 dx plus you have to write here integration of 1 dx plus here you have to take y, so here we take 2 out, integration of y dy, minus integration of 1 dy equal to c here. So now you write integration of x, formula is x square by 2, minus y, integration of 1 formula is x, plus integration of 1 formula is x, plus 2 into integration of y square by 2, y square by 2. Next you write here minus integration of y is y equal to c. This 2 to cancel, you get the answer is x square plus y square minus xy, plus x minus y equal to, this is your answer. Now we go to the next non-exact differential equation. Before go to the non-exact differential equation, here when we say non-exact, the differential equation m of x comma y plus n of x comma y dy does not equal to 0 if the condition is dou m by dou y does not equal to dou n by dou x. If this condition not satisfied, then we say it's said to be non-exact. If the given differential equation is not exact, then make that equation to be exact by integrating factor. So now we will discuss about the integrating factor. In generally, for differential equation m of x comma y dx plus n of x comma y dy equal to 0 is not exact. In such situation, we find a function mu that by multiplying mu to the equation it became an exact equation. So mu into m of x comma y dx plus mu into n of x comma y dy equal to 0. You have to multiply, then became an exact differential equation. Here mu equal to, here the function mu equal to mu of x comma y, then it is called an integrating factor. Now we go to the problem. Here in integrating factor, to find the method of integrating the factor for given in non-exact, so we will discuss here 4 types. For easily way I will starting here 4 types. So first type we will start homogenize. Yes, most of the student here confused. In the question they will given the solve, but student how they will go to the type 1, type 2 first. So remember here type 1 we call as a homogenize. If remember this condition, if m of x comma y plus n of x comma y dy equal to 0 is a homogenized differential equation and mx plus ny does not equal to 0, then the integrating factor here, you have to remember the formula here, integrating factor I dot f equal to 1 by mx plus ny. So here example, yes, how you know that it is a homogenized? All of you see here 2 plus 1 here degree, you check the degree here 2 is there and here degree is 1, so we can say that it is 3, and here also degree 3, here degree, so it is a homogenized, it is a homogenized differential equation. Here also check the degree here, here degree is 2 and here is 2 and here 1 plus 1 2, all this side and this side should be degree should be equal, then we say it is a homogenized differential equation. So now we will solve one example. Yeah, we will solve the problem here. X square y dx minus x cube plus y cube dy equal to 0 given. We are written here equation mark as this is of the form m dx plus m dy equal to 0. So here this is the m value x square y and this is the n value minus x cube plus y cube. Now you take the partial differentiation. Here partial differentiation dou m by dou y. So partial differentiation with respect to x, m value is here, you take here y, so x square is out, dou by dou y is 1, so you can get value is x square. So now come to the dou n by dou x, partially differentiation dou n by dou x. So here you get here minus 3x square minus 0, so here you get here minus 3x square plus. So here it is the both dou m by dou y is does not equal to dou n by dou x. So it is hence the given differential equation is not exact. So now we have to become it exact. So we have to do the integrating factor. So given differential equation is homogeneous differential equation. So integrating factor is mx plus ny. So m value is given as m square y. Yeah, we are written here x plus n value is minus x cube minus y cube into y. So you multiply here, what you get m square m cube y minus x cube y minus y power 4. So here m cube y plus and minus is cancelled, you get minus y power 4. So integrating factor formula is 1 by mx plus ny. So in place of mx plus ny we get the value minus y power 4. So now we have to multiply equation number 1 with 1 by minus y power 4. Yeah. So we get here, we are equation multiplying with 1, we get like this, x square y by y power 4 dx minus x cube plus y cube by minus y power 4 dy equal to 0. Here we take as m1 minus x square y power 4 and 1 x cube plus y cube by y power 4. Now you take partially differentiation with respect to y. So what you get here, partially differentiation with here you get the value 3x square y power 4, and here dou n by dou y partially differentiation with respect to, here you get x, this is x, partially differentiation with respect to x, you get 3x square by y power 4. So both here dou m1 by dou y is equal to dou n by dou x, therefore hence it is exact. Now we go to the general solution. General solution formula is integration y dx plus m dx plus integration n dy equal to 0. here y is constant, so we are getting here 1 minus 1 by y cube x square dx, and here x term is 0, we are substituting in n we are substituting x equal to 0, you get the value 1 by y dy equal to 0. Now you take the integration of x square x cube by 3, so here you get minus x cube by 3y square, integration of 1 by y log y equal to 0. This is our answer. Next you go to the next type 2. Here in the type 2, if the equation mdx plus ndy equal to 0 is of the form the y f of x comma y dx plus x into g of x comma y dy equal to 0, and mx minus ny does not equal to 0, then the integrating factor is 1 by mx minus ny. You remember this formula. Now we solve one example. Yeah, solve y into x square y square plus 2 dx plus x into 2 minus 2x square y square dx dy equal to 0. Given equation we are written, given you mark as a equation number 1. This is of the form mdx plus ndy equal to 0, and here m value here you write as it is y x square y into x square y square plus 2, and n value is x into 2 minus 2x square y square. Now you take the partial differentiation with respect to y. So here you get as it is here 3x square y square, and here y is 1 2, and here partially differentiation with respect to x, you get 2 minus 6 here, 6x square y square, you get the value with partially differential equation. Now you so here dou m by dou x does not equal to dou n by dou x, so hence the given differential equation is not exact. Now we go to the next we here this is not a homogeneous differential equation. Now this is in the form of y of f of x comma y dx plus x into g of x comma y dx dy equal to 0. So we integrating factor is 1 by mx minus ny. So now you have to substitute m into x. What are the given value? You have to substitute, multiply with x minus given value n into multiply into y, you get the value 1 by 3x cube into y cube. Now multiplying this equation number 1 with integrating factor value is 1 by x cube y cube. So we get here you get the equation y into x square y square plus 2 by 3x cube into y cube dx plus x into 2 minus 2x square y square by 3x cube y cube dy equal to 0. Now you take the partially differentiation with respect to y. What you get here, we will study here. With you get the value minus 4 by 3x cube y cube, and dou n by dou y you get minus 4 by 3x cube y cube. Therefore it is a exact, hence it is a exact. Now you go to the general solution. Here general solution as the integration m dx y is a constant, integration term of n not containing x and dy equal to 0. Now you get the value of m value, you substitute here, and n value in place of n you substitute x is equal to 0. Now you take the integration of 1 by 3 we take out, integration of 1 by x is log x formula, and here you get the value 1 by 3x square y square minus integration here minus 2 by 3 log y equal to 0, you get the answer. Next we go to the next type 3. Type 3, here you remember this condition 1 by n dou m by dou y minus dou n by dou x equal to f of x, that is function of x only we get. Then we apply for integrating factor e power f of x dx. Now this is a solution. You mark as a solve 3xy minus 3ay square dx plus x square minus 2xy dy equal to 0. You mark as a equation number 1. This is of the form m dx plus n dy equal to 0. Here m equal to this 3xy minus 3ay square, and n is equal to x square minus 2xy. So you take here partially differentiation with respect to here y. So you get the value here 3x, and here you get 3 to the 6 a y. So now you get here dou n by dou x. What you get the value here? 2x minus 2ay. So here dou m by dou y does not equal to dou n by dou x. So it is a not exact. you have to become into the exact. So first type, you go to the it is given differential equation is not homogeneous, so go to the next type. Next type is y of f of x comma y dx plus g x into g of x comma y dy equal to 0. This also is not. Then we go to the type 3. The type 3 is integrating factor 1 by n dou m by dou y minus dou n by dou x. So here you get here, so it is 4 here 3x minus 6ay minus 2x plus 2y. So you get x, and here denominator I am taking x common. You get this term x minus this value just cancel, you get the value 1 by x. This is a function of x. Then we go to the integrating factor formula. Integrating factor e power integration of f of x dx. So f of x value is 1 by x dx. So integration of 1 by x formula is log x. So e log is became 1 here, so x integrating factor, you get the value of x. Now multiply this integrating factor, which is the given equation. So you get here multiply x, so you get m1 is equal to 3x square y minus 3ax y square, and you multiply with x n1 also 3x cube minus 2ax square y. So now you take again partially differentiation with respect to y. So here y is 1, it became 1, so 3x square, and here 3 2s are 6axy. Now in dou n by dou y, you have to take partially differentiation with respect to x. You have to take with respect to x, partially differentiation with respect to x. So here 3x square minus 6axy. So both here dou m1 by dou y equal to dou n by dou x equal to 0. Hence it is a exact. Now we go to the general solution. The general solution is integration m dx plus integration n dy. Now here n does not contain x term. So n in place of x in n terms, you put x equal to 0, you get here x value only here. So here y integration of x square dx plus 2ay square integration of x dx equal to 0. So here integration of x square formula is x cube by 3. So here 3 just cancel, and here 2ay square, here x square by 2 just cancel here. So you get the equation x cube y minus x square y square into a equal to 0. Now we go to the last type, type 4. So type 1 is not satisfy homogeneous, given equation is now not homogeneous, and it is in the type 2 also. Y into f of x comma y dx plus x into g of x comma y dy equal to that condition also not satisfied. Then third condition, if you go 1 by n dou m by dou x dou y minus dou n by dou x, if not getting the function of x, then we go to the type 4. The type 4 is 1 by m dou n by dou x minus dou m by dou y equal to g of y. Here function of y you get. Then the integrating factor, the formula is e power integration of g of y dy. Then we go to we will solve one problem. You can understand clearly. Solve x y cube plus y dx plus 2 into x square y square plus x plus y power 4 dy equal to 0. This is a given differential equation you write, and this is in the form of m dx plus n dy. Here m value is, you write x y cube plus y, and here n value is 2 into x square plus y square plus x plus y power 4. Now you take dou m by dou y, partially differentiation with respect to y. So here you get here 3y square, x 3y square, and here it is 1 here. Now here you take dou n by dou x with respect to x, 2 to the 4x y square plus 1, here you get multiply with 2, you get 2, here is 0. So you get here dou m by dou y does not equal to dou n by dou x. The given differential equation is not exact. Now we have to make into exact. So first we have to go to the integrating. So it is not homogeneous. It is now first type is not homogeneous. Here next type also not satisfied. Third. Now we go to the fourth type. Here 1 by m dou n by dou x minus dou m by dou y. We are writing the given value, m value, dou n by dou x, you get here this value 4xy square plus 2, and dou m by dou y value is 3xy square minus 1. Now you simply you get this, cancel it, you get here 2, here you get 1 by y. So this is in the g of y, the function of y only. Then integrating the factor is e power integration of y dy. So g of y is 1 by integration of 1 by x is log y. E log is 1, you get y equal to integrating factor. Now multiply equation number 1 with integrating factor is y. So you get y into x, y cube plus y dx plus 2y into x square y square plus x plus y power 4 equal to 0. So you get here m1 value, this is x y power 4 y square plus n1 value is 2x square y cube plus 2xy plus 2y power 5. Now partially differentiation with respect to y. So here 4y cube, so 4x y cube plus 2x. Yeah, so here partially differentiation with here you get here with respect to x, partial differentiation with respect to x. So you get here 4x y cube plus 2y. So here it is exact, dou m1 by dou y equal to dou n by dou x. It is exact. Now go to the general solution. Integration of m dx, here y is a constant, and integration of n dy, here terms of n not containing x. So you get the value here y power 4 integration of x dx plus y square into integration of 1 dx plus 2 into integration of y power 5 dy equal to 0. Now you what the formula here, y power 4 integration of x is x square by 2, yeah, plus y square integration of 1 is x plus 2 into integration of y is y power 5 by y power 6 by 6 equal to c constant. Now you get the last solution, you get the answer x square y power 4 by 2 plus x y square plus y power 6 by 3 equal to 0. This is the 4 types we have learned. Now yeah, this section we have learned about exact and non-exact differential equation. So in this section exact definition we are done, and we solved some problems of exact and integrating factor. Then a non-exact we study here 4 types. So in the next section we go to the next topic here, orthogonal trajectories. Okay. Thank you very much.